I will show you using Uniswap Layer 2 gas fee reduction with Arbitrum Ethereum Layer 2 ZK rollout solution. For this, we're going to use one of popular Ethereum Layer 2 solution called Arbitrum. Transactions on Arbitrum will be significantly cheaper than Ethereum L1, but it's important to note that if the network's capacity is reached, then L2 can congest and fees can rise. Arbitrum limits adding new tokens to bridge to protect users and ensure that it will be easy to recognize which L2 tokens correspond to their L1 counterparts. The Arbitrum One Portal at portal.arbitrum.one is the best place to track the progress of current and upcoming launches on Arbitrum. Here is the list of Layer 2 Ethereum solutions by TVL. There are nearly dozen Ethereum Layer 2 solutions. Check out L2B, an excellent community resource for understanding the status and trade-offs of various L2s. Arbitrum is the leader in total value lock, TVL, of $2.1 billion as of shooting this video. Arbitrum withdrawals to Layer 1 times as follows. Arbitrum, like all optimistic rollups, has the characteristic that it takes roughly a week for withdrawals to be confirmed. While this is a UX drawback, it also gives Arbitrum confidence that funds will remain within the system for a week. It gives Arbitrum time to pause and respond to potential security events should they occur. Here are the potential risks on Arbitrum Layer 2 Ethereum solutions as follows. Primarily a smart contract risk. There is always a chance that there may be a bug within any smart contract that could result in the loss of user funds. Secondary one is price risk or impermanence loss we see in DeFi exchanges. Once your Ether or tokens are bridged over from L1 L2 or L2 L1, the value of your funds may change because regular market fluctuation. Here is how to set up Metamask browser extension for Arbitrum Layer 2 Ethereum. Next, I will show you how to set up Metamask browser extension for Arbitrum Layer 2 Ethereum. You need to have Metamask browser extension installed for your browser of choice. Metamask support Chrome, Brave, and Firefox. Click on the Metamask extension greater than click on Ethereum Mainnet network greater than click on Custom RPC at the end of the menu, and enter the following. Here are the Arbitrum Metamask settings. Network name, Arb1. RPC, https://arb1.arbitrum.io/rpc. Chain ID, 42161. Currency symbol, ETH Block Explorer URL, https://arbiscan.io. Here is how to provide liquidity to Uniswap with reduced gas Ethereum Layer 2 via Arbitrum network. Finally, I will show you how to provide liquidity to Uniswap with reduced gas with Ethereum Layer 2 solution Arbitrum. Go to uniswap.org. Connect with Metamask wallet you sign up on previous step. By default, Uniswap will connect with Ethereum main network, or Layer 1 for short. You now want to select Arbitrum as your network for Uniswap. It is now supported. You want to make sure you send Ethereum from mainnet to Arbitrum Ethereum on Layer 2 network. For this you have to pay gas fees on Ethereum mainnet. It is little price with anything to do with Ethereum mainnet. It is around $24 of shorting this video. Once all your Ethereum transferred to Arbitrum Layer 2 network via the Arbitrum bridge, you can now provide liquidity to all Uniswap pairs with Ethereum on Arbitrum Ethereum wallet. Your gas fees are 10x lower than Ethereum mainnet. Here is why we use Ethereum Layer 2 solution like Arbitrum. Ethereum fees by mainnet and Layer 2 networks as follows. Go to l2beat.com. You can see Ethereum mainnet fees are x10 more expensive than any Layer 2 networks.